Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how I made this cute earring. Quick and easy to make. And I also made black and red. This one I use 4mm rondel beads. So our materials, I have two colors of 11 seed beads in bicones, and they are 4mm earring hooks. My beading needle number 11. And this is the thread I'm going to use. So let's begin. I pick up gold 11 seed beads and 4 bicones, and I put it alternate. Then I'll pick up 5 gold seed beads, pass through first, then pick up 1, then pick up 1, then pick up 1 bicone, 1 gold seed bead, 1 bicone, 1 seed bead, 1 bicone, 1 seed bead, and 1 bicone. Bicone, seed bead, bicone, seed bead, bicone, seed bead, and bicone. Then pick up another 5. Pass through first. Pick up 1. Pick up 1. Then pass through. exit, then pick up 4, then pick up 1 bicone, 4 seed bead, and 1 bicone. Then pass through. Then pick up another 4. Then I'll pick up 3 11-0 white, and then 1 gold and 3 white. Then pick up 1, then pick up 5, 5 gold, so I'm going to pass through to reinforce, and then I'll make some couple of knots, and then I'll cut the thread. Hey guys, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. And for those who already joined, thank you so much. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day, everyone. And happy beading.